Aloha, my friends. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make a living on the internet. But one of the more challenging steps in building a successful affiliate business is attracting your buyer audience. Stay tuned. In this video, I talk about one of the best ways to get your audience to raise their hand. Good quality content marketing is the foundation of successful affiliate marketing. Give people a reason to listen, something that helps them get results. Yes, you want to highlight your knowledge of the niche and show you've got personality, but it's not about you, is it? It's about offering people compelling reasons to devote time to what you have to say. If you help them, they will return. Plus, it does insulate you from coming across as just hard selling. Now, for it to work, you're going to have to avoid regurgitating standard content that floods the internet. It's up to you to distinguish yourself from the other affiliates. Maybe it'll be your style of delivery that appeals to your audience. Many affiliates build an enviable reputation by just being conversational and telling stories. The goal here is to, and what do you think I'm going to say? Wait for it. Get them to know, like, and trust you. Often, just a simple combination of social and rational audience interaction will get your foot in the door. With that in mind, here's a few tips on content and presentation. First, be honest. Reputation is critical to long-term affiliate success, so avoid excessive hype and exaggeration. Only promote products and services that will truly help your audience. Second, ensure that your content adds value to your audience. Don't waste their time, but don't be afraid to spend time explaining important details about the product features and benefits, and of course any personal reasons you recommend a product. Third is good copy or script writing. This is a key component to a successful affiliate business. Remember, the foundation of good content marketing is giving value that helps people get what they want. And always, always strive to earn their know, like, and trust. If you like this video, please hit the bell and subscribe buttons so I can notify you when I've posted more tips that'll help you grow your online marketing business. Also, if you have any questions, comments, or would like me to create a video about a particular topic, please write them in the comments below. I really do enjoy answering questions from fellow entrepreneurs. Happy marketing!